There's good news for people with bad credit. I'm Paul Oster, CEO of Better Qualified Credit Experts. You may be eligible to have your credit improved regardless of your past payment history. Late payments, bankruptcy, collections, judgments, even charge-offs. The credit bureaus have strict guidelines to follow under the Fair and Accurate Credit Reporting Act. We challenge bureau protocol, forcing them to remove negative items for noncompliance. 70% of all credit reports contain inaccurate information. Is your information accurate? Act right now and get a free credit audit.